How's it going, guys? Brian from Apex Detail here. Today I would like to show you guys the CycloShine Pro wheel detail stand. What is that? I'm going to show you in great detail in a few minutes. First, I would like to take a minute and thank Sam from the Source Garage for custom building this tool for me. These tools are made to order, guys. You can customize them to fit your shop, the logo of your business, also maybe even the color of your car. And they are well built, and they make your job easier when detailing, cleaning, and coating wheels. Whatever you're doing to the wheel, the face, or the barrel, this tool will help you a ton. Sam and his crew, they have a website. I'm going to put the link down below. They have a detailing channel that's going to have a lot more than just this tool showcased. They're also going to be doing product reviews and putting together a nice data sheet for you guys to go to. And I'm very sure those guys will be a heck of a lot more successful than me in a few short months. So I'll put that link also down below. Go pay them a visit, send them some love, show your support. These are some young gentlemen here that are infusing some energy, ingenuity, imagination into the detailing industry, and I'm very excited for them. So without further ado, let's take a look at the detailing stand. The CycloShine Pro wheel detail stand is made to order. Can be made custom to match the colors, the logos of your business, match the colors of your shop or garage, match the colors of your car. You know, for me, the light blue rollers on the black frame with the white lettering. Fantastic job. It's well built, it's sturdy. We're going to break the unit down later, but first I want to show you what it is and what it can be used for, where, and how. Let's get to it. I do a ton of wheels off detailing packages, coatings, and when it comes to those type of packages, we're going to pull the wheel off of the car completely. We're going to work on the face of the wheel, clean it or detail it or coat it, flip it around, work on the barrel of the wheel, and this tool here makes it a whole lot easier. It's a really great idea. Take the wheel off, sit it on the stand on the two rollers here. There's a third roller that the back of the tire sits on there, and as you're working on it, simply spin the tire. The rollers are tilted on an angle to keep the tire and the wheel tight against the back of the third and highest roller, so it's not wobbly and it's nice and sturdy, and you can do some really aggressive work on your wheel and tire without having it fall over. I happen to keep mine in a little capture bin, so anything I'm working on that dribbles down into the bin there, I could take the shop vac and remove it promptly. Ideally, if you have a wash bay, you could set it in there completely rinseless here. So I like to have it up on the cabinet, put it on top of the catch bin, and I don't have to bend over at all. It's right level with my shoulders, so I can work on the wheel and be completely relaxed, and this is what I would use it for. Cleaning the wheel, however you clean it. You know, with your brushes, your contact wash kit, if you're rinseless, however you do it, that's what you would do first. And this tool here makes it so much easier. While I'm working on the wheel, I'm keeping it right over the catch bin, spinning the wheel and tire, keeping everything nice and controlled and tidy. When we're finished cleaning the wheel, anything that we have down in the catch bin, we just remove it and clean it. When you're finished completely for the day, whatever you use to clean the wheel, you're going to use to clean the unit itself. It is primered. It is base coated. It's also clear coated with the same type of clear they use on wheels. So it just makes it easy. Whatever you're going to use on the wheels, it's not going to break down the unit itself. You can also use those same chemicals to clean it and not have to break anything new out for the day. Fantastic if you're using a wheel wax or a sealant. What about a ceramic coating? Tire shine. Okay, for the closer look segment of the video, very light, compact. We're going to go over dimensions. It only weighs a little over 10 pounds. Easy to carry to wherever you need to put your station and set it up. The unit comes shipped with this H base here and the rollers intact. Also comes with this T-bar here, which is the handle, and has the third roller up here so the wheel can rest against it. Again, the rollers are tilted to keep the wheel back against the T-bar here, and that inserts into the H-frame, nice and snug, and just pin it. Very easy. Overall width of the unit, just 12 inches. The rollers are 4.5 inches off the ground. Don't have to lift the wheel far to get it up on the rollers. The overall height of the unit is 38 inches, just under 38 inches, so you can put this thing just about anywhere. The rollers are 1.25 inches, and they can handle 117 pounds each. So, you know, they can handle whatever you're going to be able to throw at it. Rubber feet on the bottom here. They're rubber. They won't scuff up the floor. They have give to them, sort of what you'd find on the bottom of speakers. 1/8 inch steel stock, very quality welds, strong welds. Again, primered, then base coat, and then clear coat. Most importantly, made in the USA right here by Sam and his crew at Source Garage. For the final thought segment of the video, I again would like to thank Sam for the custom-made stand he made for us here at Apex Detail. I really appreciate it. It's been put to good use. It'll be used heavily in the future. I have a ton of wheel-off jobs and coatings, and again, I thank you. I really do urge everyone to visit their website, their channel, show them some appreciation, support, and love. By the way, guys, on their detailing channel, they're also going to be doing detail reviews and putting together a data sheet, which is a great idea, so you can come back and visit and look at the revised conclusions whenever you feel like it, or are looking for a certain product and want information on it in great detail. I'll put all those links down below. If you have any questions on the stand, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.